I've been using 3D printers for the past 6 years, and these are really amazing tools for creating 3D objects right on your desk. But as an engineer, I really wanted to have those capabilities for electronics as well.
We wanted to optimize rapid prototyping in a big way by making a stable and reliable machine that is future-proof.
The next one will change the landscape of 3D printing because it's the first electronics and multi-materials 3D printer that's affordable and fits on every desktop.
The next one is the first of its kind, being able to print integrated circuitry, multi-material and multicolor, all in one beautiful and simple design.
We have designed the next one from the ground up and created a totally new type of printhead that can be precisely calibrated to print materials of many different characteristics. We can already print conductive materials with super low resistance and combine them with many different ones that can be flexible, rigid, transparent and much more. We also allow for the use of support material that can be rinsed off easily with regular water, which will make printing much more economical.
We achieved this by using high precision nozzles that form tiny droplets of material. These droplets are deposited on the printing bed and then cured by a UV laser.
In the design phase, we envisioned a printer that will take off the workload from the user and make an easier and more fluid experience. We had a printer in mind that will take any 3D model and slice it onboard, so it will be printable in an instant.
We are a German company, closely working with people at the Fab Lab in Berlin, where we streamlined our development by listening to the consumer feedback and improving the printer with each generation. And we hope to bring this amazing technology to even more people than any other printer before. As the combination of many functional materials, extreme precision and the printing of integrated electronics is now finally possible. So now that we have developed this amazing machine, we need to kickstart the mass manufacturing process of the initial units, for which we need a significant amount of funding. So we are asking you to back us and to help us achieve our goal. This will be the stepping stone to getting the next one to as many people as possible and bringing 3D printing to the next level.
Hi, I'm Laura.
And I'm Eric. Together, we're developing a new product in our downtown Los Angeles warehouse.
ModelBox 3D is a fast and affordable 3D visualization tool that allows you to bring your 3D models and artwork off the screen and into your home or office.
Here's how it works. 28 printable transparencies fit into our laser-cut acrylic box to make a beautiful 3D representation of your artwork.
The idea came to us a little over a year ago when we decided we wanted to create a large-scale slice sculpture.
In the process of building this sculpture, the easiest way that we could see how this sculpture would look was by printing it out on about 30 inkjet transparencies. The original prototype was just wire and drinking straws. We figured there had to be an easier way for anybody to do this, and for us to continue to use this process.
By profession, I'm a 3D modeler in the VFX and animation industry, and I was looking for a method to bring my traditional artistic roots and fuse them with what I was doing now. ModelBox 3D is just a really great way to get something off of a computer screen and get a physical representation of it to give you an idea of what you've created. Our first prototype was really exciting, and so we knew that we had to do more with it, and we're really excited that now we have a piece that we're able to put into production.
Once we got to it and started actually developing the process, we noticed that we could come up with a software program that would let anybody do the same process that we were doing. And the applications are endless. It's really blossomed from the original artistic purpose that it served. When you back us, you'll receive one ModelBox 3D frame, as well as one pre-printed model of your choice, and also access to our software and our modeling library as soon as those are ready, so that you can make any model that you want and put it into your ModelBox 3D.
We've gotten this product as far as we can, and we really can't do any more without your help.
We have a lot of exciting ideas in store. Check out the page below to see what we have planned for ModelBox 3D.
Please donate to our Kickstarter so that we're able to build the best possible software to bring your art to life off the screen. We're so excited to see what you and countless other artists do with their ModelBox 3D.
Starting a business nowadays is easy. Everyone has great ideas, but sometimes it takes a lot of repetitive work to realize them. This is where DoBot M1 gets in. DoBot M1 is an industrial-level robotic arm production platform. It's precise, fast, and extendable, and also affordable. It can be your 3D printer, laser engraver, soldering machine, or whatever else you build upon it. Yes, you can build one. DoBot M1 has 0.02 millimeters repeatability and 1.5 kilogram payload. With these standardized, easy-to-change heads, you can easily turn this power into productivity. Like 3D printing, it can print your product with fluency and details. 2 colors? No problem. Or use laser to engrave your unfading masterpiece. Or do sophisticated soldering, customizing your PCB circuit board better than a pro. Besides being multifunctional, DoBot M1 is also easy to master and develop. DoBot M1 supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connection. You can connect to multiple arms at once and control them via our app on PC or smartphone. With a force-sensitive 3D mouse, you can control DoBot M1 as precisely as you want. No more trying and guessing on a confusing software. With its handhold teaching feature, you can input coordinates in the fastest and most intuitive way. DoBot M1 is programmable via the integrated APIs. You can use official or self-built developing environment, or use this visualized programming interface, making things a lot easier. But we don't stop here. DoBot M1 is highly extendable. There are no limits to your imagination on it. The maximum reach of DoBot M1 is 400 millimeters, which is enough for most of the situations. But why don't we think bigger, when it can actually go further? Or use a camera for visual. With its fast and accurate image recognizing algorithm, it can distinguish colors without making one mistake. DoBot M1 loves companions. They can work seamlessly together, processing paperwork way faster than humans could. Ultimately, DoBot M1 is built to replace manpower in production line, working day and night non-stop. The built-in mapping and path planning system provides this excellent mobility, providing inventory management service in your warehouse. To be able to create so much value, DoBot M1 has been built with extraordinary performance. The perfect calibration of the high-performance DC servo motor, harmonic reducer, and kinematic algorithm has brought out the best of both strength and speed. Repeatability of 0.02 millimeters. Maximum payload of up to 1.5 kilograms. Angular speed of up to 200 degrees per second. It's also a steady player, never slips up. Everyone loves creating things, and having a robotic arm is awesome. With DoBot M1, it's no longer a giant business's privilege to use professional robotic arms. Everyone can now benefit from a cost-effective, user-friendly robotic arm technology. So when a new idea hits you, DoBot M1 will be ready. All you have to do is say yes.